Hi, this is Evo, and we are going to be exploring a bit of the Realitycraft app and guidebook game. Realitycraft is an app to design worlds, and I'm here to help you go from being a creator to being a world builder step by step. This app is available in both a free and light version as well as a pro and subscription model to make it easier for you to generate every aspect of the worlds you may be trying to create. I come from 20 years of background in interactive, immersive, as well as generative workflows. I've been a media creator, I've worked in live, participatory, as well as games and all sorts of campaigns. So I've taken all of that work around strategy, workflows, all of the different tips and the tools so that I can help you get better at making the worlds of your dreams. You can see here in the tools that you can create your own toolkits and eventually build your own workflows and teams that have shared AI policies and world building documents together. So, being able to keep your entire team and production group on this same page when it comes to what tools you're choosing to use, what types of prompts you're using, what are the policies and the rules, the framework that you're working in together? And what is your end goal? What is the reason that you're creating? And how is that going to create some sort of cohesive experience for your audience? So I'm here to help you with that journey. And this is Evo at Realitycraft.app. I hope you'll check it out.